Well, Mark's picked me up. We have some great news.
We're going to Chard to pick up a 1275 engine for the Morris Minor.
Which is more progress on the Moggy.
And it's only 40 minutes away.
So we've got to go. So it's Sunday morning, we've had breakfast, we're heading off. We'll see when we get there. Well, we've picked up Mark's new engine. Look at this. I think Mark is delighted. So what do we have?
This is a 1275 or 1300 engine out of a Morris Marina, which is the A series engine, which is exactly the same as the A series engine in the Morris Minor, and a really common swap. I'll be honest, I don't know much about it, but it was close, it was the right price, and it's just ready to go in. It's just bolt it in and turn the key.
That's what we want.
Yeah.
And a gearbox.
And a gearbox was thrown in, and a few other little bits and bobs.
So that's great. So we're going to head back, get that unloaded.
Yeah.
Ready for the ongoing restoration.
Yeah. Hopefully it will stay there.
It will.
It's quite good.
It'll be fine.
It's quite good. It's full of oil, so...
Just don't use your 145 horsepower you've got on the front of this thing.
No, it won't.
No, it'll be fine.
It'll be fine. 145 in the front, 60 in the back, mind.
Excellent. Got mid-engine.
200
rear
horsepower.
engine. Cool. Right, let's crack on then.
Let's go.
This is like the mysteries of the universe in rope and string, Mark.
It worked though, didn't it?
Right
Grab a glove, isn't it?
Yeah. It's all right.
Bring the cardboard over the...
You can push it back in.
Okay. Right, which side do you want?
The cleanest, ideally. Because I haven't changed.
Okay. Yeah, I got it.
Right.
Bring that bit of wood a bit closer. Just literally going to put it down. I got the engine.
Oh, trolley.
The only trolley I've got has got my seats on it, so if we just plonk it straight down on there.
We thought this through, haven't we?
Like I said, I didn't know I was going to buy it until
last night.
this morning.
All right.
You ready?
Yeah.
No, I haven't got it.
All right.
I know where to go. Right, try again.
Okay.
Yeah.
I've got it.
Okay. Well, that wasn't pretty, but that's it. You're there. Thank you very much.
That's it. We're now officially dead.
Officially got a bad back. Oh, good grief.
Where do you want like the alternator and stuff?
I don't even know what's in the cardboard box. You got any idea what's in the cardboard box? No.
Well, we're not going to drag that.
Oh, it's a water pump. It's a new water pump.
So we're not going to drag that, so we need to... Well, how are we going to move it?
You support the engine, I will drag it.
Alright, let me come round so I'm on the sticky 80 side. Yeah, it's going to work well.
Oh, for pity's sake.
What you want is a trolley.
All I want is a trolley. I haven't got a trolley to put it on, that's the trouble.
Well, last time we were here, you had dozens of trolleys.
I could lift this off and put it on the trolley.
This is all one seat.
Quite. The top is off. as heavy as the engine. That's why I didn't want to move it.
Now we've got to lift this again.
No, I think it's preferable to lift this onto the trolley than it was to lift it out of there.
The trolley won't move.
I don't know if I can take this. If my back can take this.
Well, let's think this through. Yeah, we have to lift it. We can't get around it. I've given it a lot of thought. Hang on, seriously, hang on. Is there? Where's your engine hoist?
I don't own an engine hoist. It was borrowed.
Has it been borrowed back?
Can you just?
It's going to move.
Can you stop it moving?
Yeah,
That's the whole mission in life.
yeah. Just don't drop it on me. No, you can't lift that.
No.
Alright. So we haven't really got this right, have we?
No.
So we need to lift it, don't we?
We need to lift it.
Shall I lift it back in?
You can try and lift them back
With
in.
my feet.
Alright.
Those who know me will get that down.
Okay.
Where did he lift it to?
On the starter motor,
Right.
but it does turn,
Of course it turns.
and on the manifold.
What's that?
I couldn't do it. It's there. Just wheel it in before it does anything else. I'm officially crippled from lifting engines. I'm just going to move this out of the way.
I would give you a hand while I'm pointing the camera.
I don't think I've thought this through. Really, I should have moved this before the engine. Really, when my back was still in a fit state to pick up light stuff.
Well, don't worry, because I'm going to come and give you a hand. Why do we spend our days climbing over stuff?
Because I own too much stuff.
It's like being at home.
If I owned new stuff, nothing in here would exist.
Is it time just to lease a Tesla like everybody else on the planet?
No, because then you'd be like everybody else.
On the planet.
And who wants to be like everybody else?
Maybe they got a point. Ah! God, that hurt.
Was that?
That was that sticky icy bit of seat. Not funny.
Okay, this is it's going to have to go where the engine is now. We have to move the engine. It doesn't really turn to this one. That's it. That's it. That's it. Perfect. There you go. That's giving us loads of room now, isn't it?
Oh yeah, we put on the sheet on the. Your sofa's in the way.
Okay. That's it. That's it. We're there. We're as good as done.
Like a well-oiled machine.
Yeah.
There's
Well,
no wheels in the way now. Right. And you've got nowhere to reverse into, have you?
yeah. I'm there.
You backed yourself into it. Yeah, but I can't lift it.
Why not?
Because all the angles are wrong. You've got a Morris Minor where I want to stand.
Hold on. Let's move this out of the way then.
Yeah, please. You're caught on the.
There you go. Wheelie. It's the mountain bike room, you see.
Right, now there we are. Now I got room to fall over. Have you got room to fall over?
Yeah. So we literally just
Yeah,
lift
ready?
and drop. Yeah.
Yeah. Bloody trolleys move.
That's it. We're there. That's it. Just exactly where it is. That's it. It's not a Land Rover engine. Just be grateful. It's not the Land Rover.
What I don't get when you watch these other garage programs on the telly box,
Yeah.
they're not messing about moving stuff around. They just waving like spray cans. It comes out marvellously.
But it's not real, is it? This is real life. This is what it's like. You don't want to sugar the pill.
There's no danger about here, is there?
There's no danger of that here.
This is like the full-on cyanide pill.
But
Get it down, your boy.
anyway,
Right on the back molar.
Look at the difference.
The day makes.
Look at that. Look at that, shiny. Rusty and horrible with no compression. Shiny and lovely with lots of compression.
Look at the new goodness waiting to go in.
What do you reckon?
I think it's fantastic. I would say, to quote a friend of ours, behold the magnificence of what we have achieved this morning. And we had breakfast.
And we had breakfast. You look worn out.
All we have to do with my feet, yeah. All we have to do is now make that go in there and connect up a few things, and you're there.
That's the job for another day.
Right, that's it. On that bombshell, I got to go. I've got things to do. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
See you later.